Want to unlock real business success? It all starts with the basics of finance and economics. I'm breaking these down so you can make smarter moves and watch your business grow. First up, revenue versus profit. Revenue is just the money coming in from sales. Profit? That's what you actually keep after covering all expenses. Remember, high revenue doesn't always mean big profits. Next, let's talk costs. Fixed costs, like rent and salaries, stay the same no matter how much you sell. Variable costs, like materials or shipping, go up and down with your sales volume. Understanding both helps you price smarter and boost your margins. Cash flow is another biggie. Think of it as the heartbeat of your business. Money in, money out. Even profitable businesses can struggle if they run out of cash at the wrong time. So, keep a close eye on it. ROI, or return on investment, tells you if your spending is paying off. If you put $1,000 into marketing and make $2,000 in sales, that's a solid return. Always measure your ROI before sinking cash into new ideas. Economics time, supply and demand. If lots of people want your product but you can't make enough, prices go up. Too much supply and not enough demand, prices drop. Find that sweet spot to maximize profit. Opportunity cost is what you give up when you make a choice. Say you spend on new equipment instead of hiring help. What's the potential upside or downside? Always weigh your options. And finally, the break-even point. This is when your revenue exactly covers your costs. Beyond this, you're truly making a profit. Master these fundamentals, and you're on track for smarter decisions and better growth. Like, share, and subscribe for more business insights.